Looking for the best air fryer for home use but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best air fryer for home use based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The Bella 4QT Slim Air Fryer is a sleek and space-saving design that fits perfectly into any kitchen. With its EverGood ceramic non-stick coating, you can enjoy healthier cooking and hassle-free maintenance. The adjustable temperature and 6 preset cooking options make it easy to cook large batches of your favorite foods. This air fryer is perfect for families or those who want to cook big meals without taking up too much space. Number 4. The Nutrichef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer is a powerful performer with 8-in-1 preset cook modes, including defrost cooking. The transparent fry bowl provides clear visibility for best cooking results, and the precise temperature control ensures exact cooking results every time. This air fryer is ideal for large families or those who want to cook a variety of dishes with ease. The non-stick and dishwasher-safe tray makes cleaning a snap. Number 3. The CHEFMAN 2QT Mini Air Fryer is a space-saving compact air fryer that's perfect for small kitchens or singles. With its digital timer and shake reminder, you can cook food fast, up to 3 times quicker than an oven. The non-stick and dishwasher-safe basket makes cleaning a breeze. This air fryer is great for those who want healthy cooking options without sacrificing flavor or convenience. Number 2. The Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a versatile kitchen appliance that elevates practically any meal. With 24 cooking functions and digital controls, you can air fry, roast, or toast with precision. The automatic shut-off feature ensures perfectly done toast every time, and the dual-speed fan delivers golden fried crisping at its finest. This air fryer is ideal for those who want a multi-cooker that can handle large gatherings or everyday meals. Number 1. The Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer is a standout with its innovative TurboBlaze technology, delivering a powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for crispy, juicy results every time. This air fryer is perfect for those who want to cook a wide variety of dishes, from air frying to roasting, with precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control. If you value a healthier cooking experience, the PFAS-Free ceramic coating is a game-changer. Overall, I'm impressed with this air fryer's performance and ease of use. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.